Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over the top 4 reasons why I believe Canva is great for beginners. The number 1 reason is the templates, because there's a ton of templates to choose from. It gives you a starting point. Usually they have really good compositions, and that can help you either learn how to design better, or it'll just look good even if you're just trying to get something done quickly. So I'm just gonna click on probably social media, because I do a lot of different social media graphics, like a Pinterest pin. We'll go with that for right now. So the templates are usually laid out really well, and they're customizable. So if you really don't know where to start, there's so many different templates to choose from. And obviously I can change the photos or the color or anything like that. So we'll just look at maybe this one for right now. The second reason why I think Canva is great for beginners is the type pairings, because sometimes if you're just starting in designing anything, typography can be a challenge. So they have fonts that are already paired, and I always choose like the worst template to try and show this, so that you don't have to sit or Google or do anything to figure out what fonts go well together. That just deleted itself. Anyway, as you can see, this is like a script, this is like a serif but outlined, and it looks pretty good together, and there's a lot of different choices. Now I did notice that the actual, I don't want to say normal, but normal font pairings seem to be at the bottom of this list, whereas there's a lot of decorative choices towards the top. So you can come in here under the text tab and just pick your pairing. That usually works pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and back up a little bit since I messed up the template. The third reason why I think Canva is great for beginners is the styles tab, because there's already a lot of different colors set up here that will work well together. If you have trouble with color theory, things like that, you can just go in here and click one of these color schemes. This one might not be the best for this particular template, but anyway, you can click one of them, and if you want to shuffle the colors within that scheme so it's applied to different areas of your template, you just click it again and it'll shuffle. And the final is the elements tab. Like, there's so many different elements that you can add to your designs, and it's just simply like click and drag and boom, there it is. Whereas if you were using something like Illustrator, you're probably gonna have to do it yourself, and that can take a lot of time. So like if you wanted a flower, actually these are pro elements. I do have pro. You don't have to have pro to get value out of Canva though. So these are just flowers, or you go to graphics and there's different graphics. There's even like photos. I think they're pulling them from Pixabay. So you could add those quickly to your template as well. Obviously, I'm not really designing. I'm just trying to show how quick and easy it is to add different things to Canva. Anyways, guys, those are my top 4 reasons why I think Canva is great for beginners. If there's anything else about Canva that you would like to know, please leave the suggestions in the comments below. And if you made it this far, as always, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!